Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how Robinhood stock lending works. Stock lending is a feature that allows investors to lend their shares to other investors or institutions, earning a fee in the process. To begin with, it is essential to understand that when you lend your shares, you are essentially allowing someone else to borrow them, typically for a short period. This is often done to facilitate short selling, where an investor sells a stock they do not own, with the expectation of buying it back later at a lower price to realize a profit. Here is how the process works on Robinhood. First, you must have a margin account, as stock lending is only available for margin account holders. Once you have a margin account, you can enable stock lending in the app. When you enable stock lending, Robinhood will lend out your shares to other investors or institutions, and in return, you will earn a fee. The fee is typically a percentage of the value of the shares lent, and it is paid to you by Robinhood. It is crucial to note that when you lend your shares, you still maintain ownership of them, and you can sell them or close your position at any time. However, if you sell your shares while they are on loan, the borrower will need to return the shares to Robinhood, which may take some time. To give you a better understanding, let us consider a practical example. Suppose you own 100 shares of Apple stock, and you enable stock lending on your Robinhood account. If Robinhood lends out your shares to another investor, and the value of the shares is $1,000, you may earn a lending fee of $5, which is 0.5% of the value of the shares. In terms of best practices, it is essential to keep in mind that stock lending carries some risks. For instance, if the borrower defaults on their obligation to return the shares, you may face delays in getting your shares back. Additionally, stock lending may also affect your ability to vote on corporate matters, as the borrower may be able to exercise voting rights while the shares are on loan. In conclusion, Robinhood stock lending provides investors with an opportunity to earn additional income from their shares. By understanding how the process works and being aware of the potential risks, you can make informed decisions about whether stock lending is right for you. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of the stock lending program and to carefully consider your investment goals and risk tolerance before enabling stock lending on your Robinhood account.